Rajasthan Judiciary Exam Syllabus, Civil Law Paper 1 and Criminal Law Paper 2. There are two papers under the Rajasthan Civil Judge. Civil Law, Code of Civil Procedure 1908, the Constitution of India, Indian Contract Act 1872, Indian Evidence Act 1872, the Limitation Act 1963, the Specific Relief Act 1963, the Transfer of Property Act, the Interpretation of Statutes, the Rajasthan Rent Control Act 2001, the Bharatiya Suraksha Adhiniyam, Hindu Law, Mohammedan Law, Rajasthan Court Fees Suit Valuation Act 1961, Rajasthan Land and Revenue Act 1956, the Indian Partnership Act 1932, the Sales of Goods Act 1930, the Registration Act 1908. Paper 2, Criminal Law, the Code of Criminal Procedure, the Indian Evidence Act 1872, the Indian Penal Code 1860, the Probation Offender Act 1958, the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, the Indecent Representation of Women Prohibition Act 1986, the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act 2012, the Sexual Harassment of Women at Workplace 2013, the Juvenile Justice Care and Protection from Children Act 2015, the Bharatiya Nagrik Suraksha Sanhita 2023, the Bharatiya Suraksha Adhiniyam 2023, Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita 2023, the Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, the Information Technology Act 2000. Thank you.